Here the examples of formatted functions in sprintf and scanf functions. A printf function is quite similar the printf function, but is instead of the printing the output on the screen to store the characters of array to the slash include stdio.h, then main functions int j equal to 32 characters of chafp and the floating value equal to a equal to 123.2. Here the character string value is 20. The s printf of string percentage d percentage c and percentage of s j and cha and a. Here the printf of percentage of s and n and string. Here the output is 32p and 123.2. Let us see the explanations of the earlier of sprintf does not print the output on the screen, so it is printed through the str using the printf. It just store the data in the string. In above the program, str will store the values of j, the cha and a. The scanf is the counter part of the sprintf. The function it's allow the programmers to store the characters of string is some other variable. These two functions are used by the very rarely in the C programs. Hence the fprintf and fscanf, it is used to perform the input and output operations of the main functions, the file asterisk of fp. Here the fp equal to f open, the file dot text comma w, it is an opening file. The fprintf of fp, the hello file by fprintf slash n to writing the data into the file. Then fclose is the fp of closing the file. Here the fprintf function is used to write the set of character into the files. Then the another examples of file of asterisk of fp, the character of buff 225 to creating the character array to store in the data file. The fp equal to f open file dot text comma r. The while the fscanf open bracket fb comma percentage s and buff it's not equal to eof. Here the printf the percentage of s comma buff, then close, then fclose of fp, here the close. If fscan function is used to read the set of character from file, it read as word from the file and return the eof of the end of the files. Then here the next topic is an unformatted input and output functions. The unformatted input function is in getC, gets and get character. Here the output format is in putC, puts and put characters. The unformatted console, the input and output functions are used to read the single input from the user to console, and it also allows us to display the value of the output to the user at the console. We do not have to use any format specifier in them to read or display the value. Hence these functions are named the unformatted console, the input and output functions. The unformatted input and output functions are the getch, it's read a single character from the user at the console of without encusing it. Then getch read a single character from the console. That is the display on the screen. Then here the get character, this function is used to read a single character. Is a single character from the keyboard. It requires the keyboard enter key to type of following the character. Here the getC is the This function is used to read a string to character until the new line character of slash n is entered.